Whether you are searching for insights on markets, industries, or consumers, the easiest and fastest way to find relevant data on our platform is through the search function. The simple structure of our new search is designed to reduce distraction while looking for content, leading you faster to the right insight. Let's take a closer look at the new features. Our autocomplete function allows you to find the best matches for your intended search. You can also see the number of search results returned by the current query. But what can you do to refine your search even more? On the right-hand side, you'll see Refine Your Search. This section includes a tag cloud at the top that shows the 10 most popular topics related to your current search. If you select a tag, it will narrow down the results to a specific topic. To deselect a tag, simply click on it. To deselect all, click on the Reset All option. Directly beneath the tag cloud, you'll notice a More Filters button. By clicking on it, a sidebar will open that allows you to select from a wide range of filters. Here you can filter by content type, such as statistics, reports, and topics. Under Accuracy, Include Any Words will return results that include any of your search terms, whereas the Include All Words function will return results that include your search in full. You can also filter by location. Here you can either select between regions or multiple countries and territories. Let's choose the region Europe. If you are interested in a particular industry, you can easily filter by it. After deciding on the industry of your choice, you can additionally narrow down to a sub-industry. To only display results from a specific publication year, feel free to select your preferred time frame here. Last but not least, you can include or exclude content that has been archived by our editorial team. And now you are all set to apply your chosen filters. Let's say you're looking for data in Europe, specifically Belgium. You can always activate the regional boost to rank your search results by your geographical preference. And that's pretty much what our new search is all about. A very quick and convenient way to find relevant data on our platform. Thanks for watching.